What's up guys, it's Koi from Gent Within, and in this video we're talking Valentine's Day style and date night styling. With Valentine's Day on the horizon, I put together this quick little lookbook featuring 4 easy looks to help inspire you on this holiday of love. Look number 1, Rolled in Red, a casual date night Valentine's look. This first look is fairly casual and sensible for wintertime. It's simple, casual, yet still refined, which makes it perfect for a Valentine's Day date. I went with black ribbed turtleneck sweater under a navy car coat and bold burgundy chinos to inject a bit of red into the look. Down low, I threw on a comfortable and stylish pair of suede Chelsea boots. Overall, this is a look that can take you from a chill day date to a night on the town or a relaxing evening back home. Look 2, Formally and Casually Rolled. You can dress up or dress down the elegant roll neck sweater here. The roll neck makes for a great necktie alternative. For this look, I paired a lightweight navy turtleneck sweater with a blue sharkskin suit. This dresses down the suit just a little bit. Alternatively, I dressed down the suit even further by swapping the suit jacket for a mid-wash denim jacket. This gives the look more of an edge while still remaining elevated. As for the shoes, I went for a pair of half-brogue Oxfords in a walnut shade. So yeah, make your Valentine's Day great again with this stylish getup. Look 3, the Blackout, a classy Valentine's night. I'm calling this one the Blackout since it's an all-black look, which makes it perfect for Valentine's date night. Everything is black with exception to the blazer, which is more of a charcoal gray in a silk woolen material, just for a little classy touch. And for the small details, I have a red lapel flower paired with a white and red check pocket square to classy it up even more. Rock this all-black look and you'll be looking smooth, suave, and sophisticated for your special lady. Look 4, All Tied Up. Classy it up a bit with a necktie, button down, and waistcoat combo. The final look, I decided to keep things refined with dress pants, an Oxford cloth button down, a silk necktie, and a textured vest. For the top layer, I opted for a green woolen peacoat as it's a stylish option but still keeps you warm. And finally, down low, I have the chocolate brown full brogue dress boots. Can't get any more stylish than that. You'll get the style points and the bedroom points for this one, as what woman doesn't like her man tied up? Alright fellas, there you have it. 4 different looks that I hope can inspire your Valentine's Day get-ups or date night outfits this year, so stay styled. So I've got to thank you guys for sticking around and all the love, the likes, the comments, the support. It means everything. So thanks for sticking around and just bearing with me, you know, as I navigate my way through this whole YouTube thing. And yeah, so thank you guys as always for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Put out new videos like this once a week. That's all I got, guys. Cheers to your style, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.